mister. What are you doing there, huh? I'm gonna have to remove you. I need to let the girls out. You know, they could eat you. But you wouldn't like that, would you? But we're gonna save him. Today's garbage day. So sorry about all the noise and the neighbors are talking, and it's just gonna be one of those days. We have grapes. They're cut up. Rice and a little bit of white egg because I ate the yolk. Anyway, that's for the chicken. Okay, let's get this going. Good morning, ladies. How'd you go? Oh, lovely. Very good. Oh, you love that rice, huh? Okay, can I get by you? Can I get by you? I want to show everybody the beautiful egg that Sweet Pea laid. Okay, here we go. And there she is. Oh, that's pretty dark. Oh, good job, Sweet Pea. Nice. Oh, be nice to her. Are you next? Are you gonna lay an egg? What about you? It's been a while for you. And you, Rose? You haven't laid in months. I don't know what's up with you. Thank you, honey. No, you can't have it, though. Alright, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Da, da, da. One and only. Well, cheers. Cheers. I'll let you out in a minute. And cheers to you, too. I hope you have a good day, and I know I will too. Until next time, bye-bye.